Scuba Score.
Hey guys, this is Scuba Score, 60 seconds. Bathroom tour of the boat. How? Welcome to my house.
Intrusive thought to just go swimming. Like, where nights end up. I'm choking. That's like when you put ketchup on your pasta. It kind of tastes like nothing. Yeah. It's alright. 3 out of 10 would repurchase either.
Oh my gosh. I'm a vlogger.
Shortbread cookie review.
Sure. Oh, that is buttery. Oh my god.
It's so like shortbready.
That's like eating a croissant. As a cookie.
It's low-key flavourless.
Yeah.
No hate.
Say that any louder.
No hate.
Yeah. As in only I am on the ferry to the city, to the opera bar, drinks to the opera bar, and then who knows where the night will take us. Saturday.
It's not permitted anywhere on board the vessel. Thank you for your cooperation.
Pretty crazy that this is my commute. As a local, I obviously sit by the door at least 5 minutes before getting off because there will be a mass accident.
It's the birthday girl.
Oh my gosh! Hey, wait, I'm taking a video instead for the vlogs. Oh, that's so much better. Woo! Whoa. Insane scenes. This is Harbour Bridge, guys.
Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed.
What do we try?
Taste test.
Yeah, just gobble that shit.
Can we just interrupt you girls quickly get phone? I was like, happy birthday to you. Very lonely.
Sorry.
She's a vlogger.
Oh, okay. Am I interrupting the...
Yeah, they do. Sorry.
Hey guys, free birthday dessert from Toddy's.
10 out of 10. So good. In the bathroom, with a shower.
This is a hotel.
It's not a hotel.
It is.
It's a pool party.
No, it's a pool party.
It's a pool party.
It's a hotel on the other side.
I bet you it's not
It's
a
a
hotel.
hotel on the other side.
It's not.
She's lying to you all in
Oh
English.
yeah. Dogs out of the class. Okay, I'm editing the video a couple weeks later. The editing's almost as chaotic as that weekend was, but it was Eloise's birthday. Super fun. Scuba Scorer's boat party. Still recovering, still on the hydrolyte from it. Anyways,